Your family's safety is a priority to you, but what about when you're not at home? Many people only think of calling a locksmith when they've been locked out of their home or vehicle, but we prefer that you think of us whenever you consider the safety and security of the people you love, not just your belongings. For example, having only one key to open the doorknobs and deadbolts for all entry doors minimises the chance your loved ones will be caught fumbling in the dark for the right key. Let us help you ensure your family's safety. Contact us today